Hello viewers, welcome back. In our previous session, we have discussed how to update the data from the database inside our Android. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to delete an entry from the database table. So let us suppose I have some entry like FGF, some HHG. So I have to find out an ID of that particular edit text and particular list item and we should delete it. So for that, same as usual, go to your DB helper class and create a method for the delete. So here it is going to be take an input of integer value, that is the data item what should I delete. So just taking the return type as int, the method name is delete data. So for this the input is going to be a string id. So you may get a doubt. So every time why you're taking string instead of integer, even for update also, because already I told you data type manifestation or data typing or manifest typing. So irrespective of the column definition, whatever the data you enter, it is going to be accepted. Now I'm just going to get an input value. So here I'm trying to modify something. Just you call get writable database method. Get writable because we are modifying something and it's going to change something. So just simply call delete method is going to take the database table, comma the where class. So just you take the class, nothing but key ID, what exactly you are going to get. So what is that ID? The selection arguments is going to be same, simple new string. Sorry, the arguments are like only one ID, that is I'm taking right now. Just take that ID and with semicolon. And what exactly it should, it's stating that return statement is missing. Just simply add return. Yeah, just simply what I'm doing. Done with this, just come back to your main activity.java. Inside your delete method, the delete data method, I'm going to call the delete method. I'll check because I'm trying to trying to delete entire row data. So I'm going to take an integer value here that is called as rows or row, whatever you feel. So just get your class object db helper.delete data. The input what you are taking is only an ID field, id.getText toString. So whatever the value enter into this particular field, it's going to take that as an input. Now we'll check the condition. If the number of rows whatever is there are greater than 0, means at least one row is there, then you can successfully delete the data. If there is no row, then what you will delete? Nothing can be deleted. So if the value is greater than 0, I'm just going to say a toast here, data deleted successfully. If there is no data to delete, simply it will say like data not found. Now run your project, launching the activity. Now click on load button to see what we have. Is 4 we have. Just come back and add the number like 4 I'm adding. Click on delete. So when I click on delete, it should read the value. It means there is no 4. I should access that as well. We should take care of that. There is no data found. Delete. It's nothing showing. We have given for 7, right? Just simply click on delete. First we load it. Still it's showing. Now let us take the value is delete data, get id. Okay, if it is greater than 0, you are going to get it. Delete. Inside the db helper, we are checking condition. If it is equals to the id, whatever means that id whatever you have taken, it must delete it. Now let me see, did I miss anything here in this? It's working quite good. Now rerun your project once again. Let me try with one. Click on delete. Yeah, data deleted successfully. Now click on load. So gvar is not showing. Now just come back. Just to take second one. Click on delete. Data deleted successfully. Click on load button. It's not showing. Just type 0. Click on delete. Data not found. So there is no field. Earlier there is some cache or something like that. Again delete, data not found, because there is no data with the column index 1 or id 1. Let me try with 4. Data deleted successfully. Click on load now. We have only 1. Let me try in such a way. I'll try with 7. Click on delete, data not found. So it's working perfectly. So when there is no data, saying data not found. So this is how we are going to delete the entire row of the data from the database table. So this is all about your entire SQLite database concept. From past 4 to 5 sessions, we have discussed each and every point of the operations, like SQLite operations and all. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's catch up in the next session.